OpenAI has officially unveiled GPT-4, confirming the long-standing speculations about its enhancements to the already amazing linguistic abilities of OpenAI's ChatGPT. OpenAI describes it as the company's most advanced system, generating safer and more useful responses. Here's everything we know about it so far. ChatGPT-4 was officially launched on March 13, as was previously announced by Microsoft, even though the exact date was unknown. However, it will only be accessible in the ChatGPT Plus paid subscription for now. The current free version of ChatGPT will still be based on GPT 3.5. ChatGPT-4 will also be available as an API for developers to create applications and services. Some of the companies that have already integrated ChatGPT-4 include Duolingo, Be My Eyes, Stripe, and Khan Academy. The first public demonstration of ChatGPT-4 was also streamed live on YouTube, showcasing some of its new features. The simplest way to get started with ChatGPT-4 today is to try it out as part of Bing Chat. Microsoft revealed that it's been using ChatGPT-4 in Bing Chat, which is free to use. Some ChatGPT-4 features are missing from Bing Chat, however, such as visual input. But you'll still have access to that larger LLM, large language model, and the advanced intelligence that comes with it. It should be noted that while Bing Chat is free, it is limited to 15 chats per session and 150 sessions per day. The only other option to access GPT-4 right now is to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. To switch to the $20 paid subscription, just click on Upgrade to Plus in the sidebar in ChatGPT. Once you've entered your credit card information, you'll be able to switch between GPT-4 and older versions of the LLM. You can even verify that you're getting GPT-4 responses since they use a black logo instead of the green logo used for older models. From there, using GPT-4 is the same as using ChatGPT Plus with GPT 3.5. It's more capable than ChatGPT, and allows you to do things like fine-tune a dataset to get customized results that match your needs. What's new in GPT-4? GPT-4 is a new language model created by OpenAI that can generate text that is similar to human speech. It improves the technology used by ChatGPT, which is currently based on GPT 3.5. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a deep learning technology that uses artificial neural networks to write like a human. According to OpenAI, this next-generation language model is more advanced in 3 key areas: creativity, visual input, and longer context. In terms of creativity, OpenAI says GPT-4 is much better at both producing and collaborating with users on creative projects. Examples of these include music, screenplays, technical writing, and even learning a user's writing style. The longer context also contributes to this. GPT-4 can now process up to 25,000 words of text from the user. You can even just send GPT-4 a web link and ask it to interact with the text from that page. OpenAI says this can be useful for the creation of long-form content, as well as extended conversations. GPT-4 can also now receive images as a basis for interaction. In the example provided on the GPT-4 website, the chatbot is given an image of a few baking ingredients and is asked what can be made with them. It is not currently known if video can also be used in this same way. Finally, OpenAI also says GPT-4 is significantly safer to use than the previous generation. It can reportedly produce 40% more factual responses in OpenAI's own internal testing, while also being 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content. OpenAI says it's been trained with human feedback to make these strides, claiming to have worked with over 50 experts for early feedback in domains including AI safety and security. As the first users have rushed to get their hands on it, we're starting to learn what it's capable of. One user apparently made GPT-4 create a working version of Pong in just 60 seconds, using a mix of HTML and JavaScript. In addition to internet access, the AI model used for Bing Chat is much faster, something that is extremely important when taken out of the lab and added to a search engine. An evolution, not a revolution? We haven't tried out GPT-4 in ChatGPT Plus yet ourselves, but it's bound to be more impressive, building on the success of ChatGPT. In fact, if you've tried out the new Bing Chat, you've apparently already gotten a taste of it. Just don't expect it to be something brand new. Prior to the launch of GPT-4, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said in a Strictly VC interview posted by Connie Loizos on YouTube that people are begging to be disappointed, and they will be. There, Altman acknowledged the potential of AGI, artificial general intelligence, to disrupt world economies and expressed that a quick rollout of several small changes is better than a shocking advancement that provides little opportunity for the world to adapt to the changes. As impressive as GPT-4 seems, it's certainly more of a careful evolution than a full-blown revolution. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.